Hey guys, Jose Alzate with Alzate Construction, and today I'm in Washington, D.C. I'm looking at the slab we poured last weekend. It's coming out great. It's drying out, so it's still like sometimes you get this streaks here and you think that's an issue. No, it's just drying out. Once it's completely dried out, we'll be able to see how nice it came out. But everything looks great. We have footers. We have 3 large footers here, and then we have 2 footers back there. We're going to build a new deck here. And so I included with my project, I wanted to build a new deck and do a concrete slab for them. And it came out great. Originally, this concrete slab was all cracked and it had a slope towards the house, which was really bad. They had like flooding happen a while back. But as you see, we put some stainless steel flashing right there. And so, or I think that's just aluminum flashing. We put aluminum flashing there, so all the water, even if it reaches there, won't go into the house. It'll hit the flashing and then get trapped there. But it is sloped towards this drain right there. One of the reasons we didn't kind of do this cross right there in the center, it would just look weird. You know, the slabs wouldn't look evenly spaced. It'd be kind of this side would be much more larger than that side, and I think that looks bad. As long as it's sloped to that drain and as long as these cuts are right in the middle, I think it looks good. Yeah, but it's coming out great. I'm going to drop that right now, so all the refrigerant can relax for a few hours before they turn it back on. Sometimes when you lift these machines, you move the refrigerant too much. Same thing with refrigerators. If you ever install a refrigerator, you always like to let it sit for a while before turning it on, so the refrigerant can cool, can relax. But looks good. Oh, we also installed conduit. One for an EV charger, one for just outlets. We ran that up, across and straight over there. It's best to, you know, if you're going to do a new concrete slab, try to run conduits wherever you can, so that in the future you can do an EV charger, or they can do a outlets and stuff. So of course that is extra, but you know, I think it's worth the investment. You don't have to tear up concrete to run conduit, or you don't have to have conduit exposed. This is great. Will be, you know, in the future, if they want to do the EV, they can do it right there. But yeah. Okay. All right. Share more soon.